Hi everyone, this is Artemystik Kate, and I want to thank you for stopping by my channel today. We've got a really special video and a really special guest. My daughter Ivy is joining me today. She also has a YouTube channel. She goes by IvySweets. So
hello.
It's good to have you here today, Ive.
Thank you.
We're going to do a really fun art project today. It looks like a lot of fun that we saw on Angie Hewitt's YouTube. And I'll put her YouTube channel down in the description below, so you'll be able to get to her video. I just saw it this morning, and it's for making galaxies with pastels. And she used soft pastels, but we're going to try these oil pastels that Ivy got for Christmas. Aren't we, Ive?
Yeah.
We're excited to try this. And then I don't have any acrylic paint to make the stars, but I do have some white gouache. So we're going to try using that for our stars today. And we're going to go ahead and do a time lapse with some music for the rest of the video, and we're going to make some galaxy paintings. So, all right, let's just get to it.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, everybody, well, we finished our project, and Yeah, what do you think, Ivy? Did you have fun?
I had lots of fun. I really like my sun and my Saturn planet with 4 moons.
Missy liked it too. I don't know if you hear her meowing. And I love your constellation.
Thank you.
That's very good. We went ahead and added some constellations in. And, you know, we tried the oil pastels, and I have 2 things to say about that. First thing, neither of us had used oil pastels before, and they worked differently than we thought they would. And, and the other thing is that they didn't blend as well as the soft pastels did that Angie used in her video demonstration.
You can probably hardly see my galaxy, really.
It looks pretty cool, though. And I think that we could definitely have a higher quality oil pastel. It's kind of just a craft set that I got from my daughter. So I think that what we're going to do is get some soft pastels.
Yes.
And we'll try those out, too. So, thank you so much, Angie, for this great idea. We had a lot of fun. It was a great project for us to do together after Ivy got home from school, wasn't it, honey?
Yeah.
Yeah. We had a lot of fun. So, I hope you guys had fun watching, and maybe you get inspired too. Go to Angie's channel, to her video, to see how she did it. And like I said, I'll put it in the description below. Alright, thanks very much for watching, guys. We'll see ya. Bye.
Bye.